Hi, this video will demonstrate how to connect and use the exit button for door opening with the Akuvox door phone. Make sure you have all the necessary devices and tools prepared before connection. Please refer to the wiring diagram. The R29S door phone used in this demonstration can be connected to up to 3 exit buttons through its input ports. The input number varies by model. Please check the wiring details on the specific device's quick guide. Specify the input that is used for the connection. Here, we connect the exit button to the input A. Press and hold the buttons. Connect the 2 wires to door A and GND ports until the stripped parts are fully inserted. Ensure the connection is secured. Then, connect door A and GND to the exit buttons No and COM respectively using a screwdriver. Power on the device and set up the function on its web interface. Enter the device IP in a browser. Then, enter the account and password, admin by default. Go to Intercom, Input. Since we connected the button to input A, enable the input as service. For detailed setup instructions on other parameters, please check the device's administrator guide on our knowledge base website. For instance, if you prefer a delay before the door opens when the button is pressed, set up the action delay time. Click Submit to save the settings. Press the exit button and the door is opened. Thanks for watching.